So welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a notebook with hand soap slime. So yeah. Just first we're going to need some hand soap, of course. A bowl or a container with slime and a mixing tool. So you're just going to start adding in your hand soap into your bowl or just container. Just like that. I don't know if there's like that much in here. So I'm just gonna try to add some in there. There wasn't enough of the other kind, so I'm using this kind. I don't really want to make that much this time like I usually do. So just gonna, you guys can see how thick it is, just mix it in. Mixing these two soaps together kind of waters it down. Well, you guys can see how liquidy it is now. So I'm gonna have to add in much more into there just to help thicken it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. I can't wait how much of this I already use. It's not that long. Okay, so you guys don't have to like do anything. It's just I personally am doing something just to fix it up. Looks pretty jiggly. It's fully watered down now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's fully watered down, so let's try and add more into there. Whenever it's not thick enough, you're just gonna have to add in more soap into there. Just like that. Let's just try to thicken it up and nope. Okay, there is something in there. I don't know if you guys noticed it. You see that? I know this part of the video is probably useless for a lot of people, but I'm just showing what to do when it waters down. This is like a kind of a detailed part that I don't really show what to do when it waters down. So just do that. Mixing more than one soap together, so I'm just gonna water it down. Also, I will add some shampoo, which this video you only add in hand soap and nothing else. You don't have to add shampoo, it's just I personally am. So you guys can see just how thick you got. This is what it's like when you add shampoo, but if you guys want to see what it's like with only hand soap, go watch my other hand soap videos. The hand soap and shampoo slime's like basically the same as, like, for example, only hand soap or only shampoo, like, do the same thing. It's a tiny bit different, but it has like the same jiggliness. Wow. If you guys want it to be thicker, put it in the fridge for a few hours. This is actually a lot better than I was expecting. Just by stirring it. So yeah, bye guys.